Hello all, welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 video of Ikea store tour which is in Navi, Mumbai. So now you can see there are some dish draining racks along with a set of 4 and a set of 6 glass spice jars, which looks absolutely cute and very good. And these are some of the options how you can utilize the backsplash of your kitchen. And these are some of the combinations of dustbins which you can buy to segregate as dry and wet and so on. So they have a couple of models in them along with different sizes. You would have seen this particular organizer 269 rupees in many of my organization videos. So if you have not checked my organization videos, please check the description box below for the video links. So again here they have kept a setup with an ironing board. Again some more options in the dish draining rack. So these are the plastic ones, 249 rupees, and these are all the soap dispenser and some more models in the dish draining rack. So they have in the powder coated one, stainless steel one and so on, and in the plastic also. You can see the stainless steel rack even on this side as to how they have utilized the wall space in the kitchen. So you can also use these kind of racks to utilize the kitchen backsplash. These are dish draining towels. So they are water absorbent and the water would not spill all over the counter. And my husband and son are already tired after roaming around the store. So now we are in the wardrobe section. So here in the wardrobe section they have shown the bedroom setups. So the bed, the study table or the dressing table along with the wardrobe. So they have different types of combinations that they have shown. So if you have an elder kid who is in the college or so on, then you can see a setup like that. Then if you have like a newborn baby or a toddler, then they have shown a setup which you can take ideas from. Or if it's going to be just some elderly's bedroom, just a bed with a wardrobe and a TV unit and a couch on the side. So they have a couple of different options that they have displayed. You can pick as per your choice. And so in Ikea, whenever you want to buy any storage unit or any furniture, you will have to take a note of the code that is given on the tag on that particular furniture, or you may just use your mobile phone and click a photo of that particular tag so that when you go to the checkout area you will be able to pick them up, because most of their furnitures are self-assembled furniture. So but you can also take their service where they will come and assemble it to you for some charge. So you can inquire that while you are checking out of the store. During in the warehouse section there are people to assist you with that. So, and these are all foldable laptop tables, which I found it extremely useful, especially during these times where you can sit comfortably on the bed and work using your laptop. So here is a storage bed, and right above the bed is that there is a display TV which explains you as how the hydraulic the lever of the bed functions so easily to open and close the bed. And next we move on to the side tables. So again, these are multifunctional side tables which can be used in your living, in your bedroom, or anywhere as required. So there are many more types of beds with storage, without storage, and so on. And there are also bed sheets, quilt covers, and so on. So that is also available right next to the display piece. So the small items like pillow covers and these things can be picked up into your trolley, while the furniture and the storage units, you will have to take a photo from the tag, and you will have to pick them up from the warehouse area. And now I am seeing some dressing unit options here. So again, these are mirrors with storage, without storage, can be used in your bedroom as well as in your bathroom, so as per your requirement. These are some multifunctional stands with 4 tires, and they are available in metal, plastic, and couple of options are there. So they are also with wheels, so I found the wheel one really useful. And here they have shown a bathroom storage area. I also like this simple couch with wooden hands, which is around 10,990 rupees. And this is another bedroom setup display. So you can see this wardrobe. And moving on, after the bedroom section, they also have different types of mattresses. So they have kept the mattresses here for testing, so you can actually lie down and feel the comfort and choose the mattress according to your comfort. Again, there are a couple of bathroom displays kept here. So the wash basins, the faucets are also available here, which you buy from usually from a hardware shop. Those things are also available here. I mean the bathroom fittings. You can also pick up the tiles if you want, because they have a couple of options. So IKEA is an amazing store where you will find everything for a home under one roof. So I really enjoy going to IKEA always. Irrespective of whether I am shocked or no, I just love to see what new things have come up, what new organizers have come, new storage options that have come in the market. So I really like visiting this store. I have also been to IKEA Hyderabad. They have a very similar setup. I mean, the look and the feel of the store, the arrangement of items, everything is almost 90-95% the same. And here I kind of like this chest of drawers, which is around 14,000. So they have also put organizers inside it to show how you can segregate the drawer space inside. And that is a smaller chest of drawers, and the one next to that is a bigger one. And now over to these day beds. These are simple metal framed day beds. And you also have a sofa come a bed, or a day bed which can be pulled out into a proper queen sized bed. So this is one that I was just telling you. It's a day bed which can be pulled out and can be used as a queen size bed, and can be pushed back and used as a normal seating once done. So that's the display that they've put as to how you utilize the side pull-out storage in the bed. So since they have the proper display on the right next to the bed, so it is like quite self-explanatory, and you don't need any help or assistance from the IKEA store to come and explain you as to how this bed works and so on. So it's a pretty well organized and very well systematically arranged with proper display and proper price tags and so on. So there is very less chances that you will get confused with the products, or if you've not understood anything. So next they have many study table setups. So it can also be a work desk setup, or for a home office setup. You can use these furnitures. So especially since many of us continue to work from home, this could be a very useful pick. So for the kids study desk, they have the study desk in a different height, and the chair with a different height and so on. And for adults, they have a different set of chairs and tables, so you can check according to your need. And here are some kids room wardrobe display and bed. And this is a bunk bed with a study table under the bed. So whatever has been kept in display everything will be available, but just that so there is a light on the display, there is a side table on the display. You will have to make a note of their code, and these are storage boxes which are kept right next to that wardrobe area, so you can pick up them. But in case you are going for something else on the display, you will have to make a note of the code and pick them up from the warehouse. And these are some more options with sliding doors. So the doors can be chosen from the given panel. So whether you want a glass, you want a frosted glass, you want a laminated door, and so on, all the options are available in the market, which is in trend, are all in the panel display. I really like this particular fitting which can be used to hang the men trousers. There are more sliding wardrobes here on the display. This is just a simple display unit. Again, these are all multi-purpose, so you can also use this display units in your living room, or maybe in your dining area as a crockery unit, or maybe in your bedroom as a side console, come a little bit of display. So these are set of hangers for 99 rupees. My son was actually fascinated with this particular study table, where it comes with a cupboard on the left, and there is a bunk bed on the top, and there is a study table under the bed. And this is a regular metal bunk bed. Now he was sitting in the desk and exploring this kids study table, so he was really fascinated by seeing kids study desk, kids bed, and bunk bed and their colorful wardrobes and so on. So there is a small little couch on the corner, which is really cute. And this kind of table and chairs you can even buy in case you are running a preschool or so on. So these are typical preschool furnitures, again, which is lightweight and absolutely good quality, and the kids will not hurt themselves even if they put their chair by mistake on their leg or so on. Again, for kids room, they have given multiple options with multiple color combinations. So again, my son was fascinated with that green hood on top, and he was telling that he wants that in his room. So moving on, so these are some of the stationery stuff here. And these are some of the foldable storage organizers. Some laundry basket options. Again, some storage options here. These are cute small cupboards which you can use for storing your toys or maybe any kids related stuff. Kids would love it, and the finish and quality is so smooth that the kids are never going to hurt when they are going to use. And these are more again storage units and storage plastic boxes which you can use to store stationeries and all kids related stationery stuff. So guys, as this video is getting a bit lengthier, I will be posting a part 3 of the store tour. So there is more interesting stuff in this Ikea store for you to see. So please stay tuned for my part 3 video. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this store tour. If yes, please hit a like button and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling with Your YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching and bye bye.